Yeah, my name is Hannes Czefinik. I work for ARM, and I co-chair the IETF ACE and OAS working group.
And I'm Eric Wallström. I work for Nexus. And what we're trying to do is do authentication and authorization to very tiny Internet of Things devices. And we're working on a door lock scenario. So we're trying to reuse a lot of the existing technologies that already exists. So this phone actually it connects to a server, an authorization server. It gets JSON Web Tokens, and what we're working on today is sending these tokens over BLE to these types of devices. And a JSON Web Token could then be verified here on this device, and a door lock could be opened.
So we are actually reusing a number of IETF technologies that have been worked on in different groups. First, we work on OAuth, use OAuth for the authorization. As Eric said, we also use the JSON Web Tokens from the Jose working group, but we also try to feed work back into the ongoing IETF ACE working group, which I co-chair, to provide feedback about the feasibility of some of the developed mechanisms. Here are a few example devices that we are using in our test set. All of them on test setup. All of them are ARM Cortex-M processors, and those are, in this specific case, we have a Bluetooth smart device that waits for incoming connections, authorization or requests, or so door lock opening requests, and then the scenario assumes that you are basically connecting to an adjacent device to have that interact with backend infrastructure. There, we again reuse a lot of existing technology worked on in the IETF core working group to do the device management, such as co-op, DTLS, the resource directory, and so on.
And the app actually talks to a scheme server, which is another group here, so where we define all the doors and the things. So